Hi guys. Sure has been a long winter, hasn't it? And it's not over yet. Today they're calling for rain and snow. So what better way to spend the day with a hot steaming bowl of chicken tortellini soup. And that's what we're going to make today. Really easy, really simple. So we've got it all lined up here. Got about 3 cups of cooked chicken, 2 carrots sliced, 2 celery ribs sliced, and use the the leaves. They're really flavorful. A few tablespoons of chopped Italian flat parsley, half a cup of chopped onion, and a half a pound of cheese tortellini. I thought these were kind of neat looking, little rainbow tortellini. So in our pot, which we have going already, is a couple tablespoons of oil, and we want to just saute the vegetables a little bit. So we're going to get that going. Bring them over yonder. Nice sizzle. That's what you want to hear. With the carrots, onions. And mix that up a little bit. And we only want to cook these 30 seconds or so, just until they're aromatic. And then we're going to have, this is a 48 ounce of chicken broth, fat-free, reduced sodium. And I have a bouillon cube here, just one bouillon cube. It's a vegetable flavored bouillon cube. 1 chili pepper for a little kick. And in our little dish we have half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of basil, half a teaspoon of rosemary, and 2 cloves. It'll give it just a nice little flavoring. You know, people are going to go, I wonder what's in that. Going to add these, our spices. Now the chili pepper, I'm not going to chop it. I'm just going to make a slit in it, and that will release the flavors and the spiciness in it. This way it'll be easier to pull out later too, and nobody will get a bite of chili pepper. We don't want to touch it. All right. And this cooks within 40-45 minutes, and you're going to have a nice pot of soup. Penicillin if you have a really bad head cold or chest cold or something like that, especially with that chili pepper in there. So what you're going to want to do is pour all this in, and you're going to bring it to a boil, and then you're going to lower it to a simmer. But we're actually going to get our chicken in. We're not going to put the tortellini in. We're actually going to cook this, simmer this for a half hour, and then the last 10-15 minutes, that's when we're going to put the tortellini in, because that only takes about 10-12 minutes. And we're going to put our bouillon. Bouillon comes in all flavors now. I found that out. I even picked up a chipotle bouillon. That would go good in chili. And this one was vegetable. Stir. Okay, now we're going to put in our chicken, and we'll do the parsley when we do the tortellini. One more stir. Now we're not going to cover this yet. It's going to come to a boil. I'm going to lower the heat a little bit because we don't want it to overboil. So as soon as it comes to a boil, we're going to lower the heat to a simmer, And then we're going to put our lid on it for a half an hour. So we'll see you after we put the tortellini in, and we'll show you the finished product. See you later.